Sri Manache Shlok, Shloka number 57, English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. जगी होई जे धन्य या राम नामे क्रिया भक्ति उपासना नित्य नेमे उदासीनता तत्वता सार आहे सदा सर्वदा मोकळी वृत्ती राहे. In this world, only those will be the blessed ones who will always remember God while doing their duties, who will have the devotion towards God and will do the worshipping of God as a discipline. In order to have a free attitude all the times, the essence lies in being detached and in following the principles in everything we do. Some of the keywords used in this shloka are Jagi means in this world, Hoije means will become, Dhanya means blessed, Kriya means work, Bhakti means devotion, Upasana means service, Nitya means unbroken, Neme means with discipline, Udasinata means dispassion, Tattvata means in essence, Sar means cream, Mokari means free, Vritti means attitude. Samartha Ramdas Swami gives the essence of achieving the peace of mind in this shloka. He gives specifics about how we can be completely free all the time in our minds. Everything we do can be divided into the classifications of Karma Yoga, which is path of our duties, Bhakti Yoga, which is path of devotion, and the worshipping of God. We have duties towards our family life, our work life, and society as a whole. How we perform our duties is extremely critical. If, while performing the duties, we have a selfish attitude and focus on ourselves all the time and see how everything is going to benefit us, then we are living life with an inward focus. We are performing actions aiming towards the fruits, whether they are low hanging ones or not. There are multiple ways to look at our work. We can do it with the intention of satisfying the wants and needs of our own, or we can do it with the dedication towards the benefit for the organization, the institute, and the society. Anything beyond our basic needs, which are food, shelter, and clothes, are our wants. If we have a higher purpose in our duties, we will do those with more focus, more dedication, more devotion, more passion. If that higher purpose is about doing everything while keeping God, the highest essence, in our minds, then automatically everyone else involved will be benefited by our work. In order to achieve the salvation, the moksha, we also need to follow the discipline in regularly worshipping and devoting ourselves to God. All of this should become habitual so that it is done all the time and with a true purpose. By living a principle centric life, we can make use of the valuable time we have got in this world. But how can we make sure that our minds will be peaceful and free from worries? We tend to be happy, sometimes even ecstatic, when good things happen. When we achieve something, we immediately start taking credit for such results. But when something does not go as we expect, we often start blaming others and blaming the circumstances and start questioning why this is happening to me. This is because we get involved too much in everything, and that results in the extremes of pleasure and pain. Samartha Ramdas Swami is providing the essence to go beyond all of this and achieve the peace of mind, irrespective of the outcome being positive or negative. That is where the udasinata, being dispassionate or being detached, becomes helpful. When we are not involved, are detached from the outcome, then it will result in having minimal impact on our minds. It is like we ourselves becoming the umpire in the game we play, which is called life. We separate ourselves from the happenings, observe with a set of rules and principles, provide the inputs of what is right and what is wrong. Don't take sides, don't do favoritism, and keep on doing our work with full dedication and without being concerned of the results. What becomes important is to follow the set of principles in doing our duties and keep on performing them with full dedication and devotion, keeping God in our mind all the time. जगी होई जे धन्य या राम नामे क्रिया भक्ति उपासना नित्य नेमे उदासीनता तत्वता सार आहे सदा सर्वदा मोकळी वृत्ती राहे. Join me in the humble effort of spreading this amazing part of our Maharashtrian culture to the English speaking community in the entire world. Be proud of our culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ